Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we have some Target fall boxes to open. I am so excited. I recently was able to snag some new fall items from Target. I think mostly from the Hearth and Hand line. I may not have gotten anything from any other line. I don't 100% remember. But we're gonna open this box and find out. I actually have two boxes. I'm really excited. So if you're here for it, let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I wanna go ahead and thank our sponsor, Ultima Replenisher. Ultima Replenisher is a daily electrolyte drink mix used for hydration, along with a range of other incredible benefits. I have talked a ton about my health and wellness goals here on my channel, and adding a daily electrolyte drink has really helped to boost my hydration and balance the fluids in my body. Ultima Replenisher has 6 key electrolytes, 0 sugar, 0 calories, and 0 carbs. It's made with organic sweeteners and plant-based flavors and colors, making it great for all lifestyles, including keto, paleo, and vegan. Using Ultima Replenisher as a daily electrolyte drink has really helped me battle fatigue and fogginess from underhydration. They can be used as a daily electrolyte replenishment before, during, or after exercise, and while traveling, which can be very dehydrating. They're amazing to use in mocktails and cocktails, as well as delicious drink recipes and frozen treats. And they're great for anybody, adults, children, also pregnant and nursing moms. Ultima Replenisher comes in all kinds of delicious flavors, including cherry pomegranate, pink lemonade, blue raspberry, and mocktini. You can also get variety packs like the original variety pack, the tropical variety pack, and the mocktini variety pack. There is literally an Ultima Replenisher flavor for anybody. Head to the link in my description below to stay hydrated with Ultima Replenisher. And thank you again to Ultima for sponsoring today's video. Now, I know some of you out there are like, absolutely not. I refuse to even discuss fall right now. Totally get it. If that is you, you do not have to watch this video. However, if you are like me and you do want to snag some newer items, or just see, you know, what's on trend for the season, then this is the time to do that. I'm not trying to say that you need to buy new things. Please know that whatever you currently have in your home for your home decor or for your seasonal decor is plenty, more than enough. You do not have to change your decor every season. However, if you enjoy it like I do, or you do it for a career like I do, then checking out all of the new, lines is so much fun. So I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. I think one of the things that really bothers me when things are being shipped, this happened to me with Target when I ordered things for spring, and it also happened with Michael's when I ordered things for spring. But when a box is full like this but has no filler, put it in a smaller box or put in the filler, because I spent money on these things and they need to not move around. This moved around so much that some of the things are completely out of the box. So that should be fun. One thing is fully wrapped, so let's just say a little prayer that it is perfectly okay. But we're gonna start with the thing that is destroyed. It's not the end of the world, of course, but it is irritating when you spend money on something and you expect that it's going to arrive in good condition. Luckily, it looks okay. But the first thing I picked up are these Hearth and Hand LED taper candles. This is what the box looks like. Not that there's anything in it, but this is what the candles look like right here. And this is what they look like. The box comes with 6 LED candles, and it's 6 candles for $30. They do come with a remote. They are battery operated and they are on a timer, which is exactly what I wanted, because I mentioned in my fall planning video that I wanted candles everywhere that would just pop on every single evening to just feel really cozy. So these are on a timer. Let's go ahead and turn these on. Oh, there we go. Once they're on, you can turn them off with the remote, and then you can also set the timer. So there's the little remote. You can turn them on a timer for up to 5 hours, and they do have a little bit of a flicker, so they look like a real candle, which these are really beautiful. These would look really beautiful on your dinner table, or like I said, just kind of throughout your home. My plan for these is to have them on my peg rail, maybe on a little shelf in my living room, but they're gorgeous and they're waxy. So they feel like real candles and they look really, really beautiful. So, and they'll go on every night automatically and turn off on their own, which I love. So I was just reading through the little instructions to make sure that I wasn't wrong when I spoke about this, but what's cool about timer candles is they stay on, they turn off, but this says that when the 5-hour button is pressed once, the candle will stay on for 5 hours and then turn off for 19 hours. So then I'm hoping that means it turns back on for 5 hours. So I'll let you know, I'll keep you posted, but that's usually how timer candles work like that. Those flameless candles is they turn off, they turn on, they stay on for their amount of time, then they turn off for the rest and come back on that same time. So first time you hit that button, make sure you turn it on around the time that you're looking for. Okay, next item is nicely packaged. I do appreciate that, even though it was just floating around in the box, at least it was wrapped up. You never know, it doesn't sound broken, but I get so nervous. Oh, these are so cute. So these are from Hearth and Hand. These are the stoneware prep bowls. They come with 4. I loved these because of the design on the edge, the cute little design. We're gonna unpackage these because I want to show you how cute these are. These were, let's see, $17 for 4. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So I wasn't planning on having green in my fall decor. So the green one may come out and go, you know, somewhere else, but these are so pretty. I love the detail along the edges and they look great stacked up like this. Or you could use them individually. So this would make a really beautiful salt pinch pot by your stove when you're cooking. These will look beautiful on a charcuterie board if you're making like a fall charcuterie board. They're just really, really stunning. My vision is to have them here in my kitchen cabinet, just kind of in there to bring in some color, but I think that I will do it without the green. The green is beautiful. I'm just not doing green this year. But those 3 look absolutely stunning. I especially love this one. Just absolutely gorgeous. So love these little prep bowls. So cute. And what a great price, $17. Okay, next up, I'm really excited about this item. This is probably gonna live in my kitchen all of the time and it's better in person. This is the carved edge square wood board. It's like a charcuterie board or a cutting board or a bread board. But what's special about this one is the edge has this gorgeous design, if you can see that, and it goes all the way around. So very pretty. It says it's a serving board. It is food safe, but my recommendation is if you're gonna use this for a charcuterie board, which is totally what I would plan to do with it, I would put wax paper down before putting your food on it. It just keeps it from getting stained, even though it does have a nice finish. But isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love that. And I just love that design on the edge. What's so nice about it is it's so subtle. I don't even know if it's picking up. That yeah, that is gorgeous. This was, let's see, $24.99, and it's a really great size. Like a really great size. It does have nice rubber on the back, so if you are using this to serve, it's not going to move. It's gonna stay put. So if you're cutting on it or you're gonna use it to serve, you don't have to worry about this like sliding all over the place. This is perfect for any kind of hosting that you're gonna do during the seasons. You can use this for the fall, but you can also use it literally all year long, which will be my plan. And it is gorgeous. And I just love that detail. It makes it look so high end, but for 25 bucks, like obsessed. Okay, the last thing in this box was kind of funny that I grabbed this, but I have been loving the one that I currently have, and the colors on this one were absolutely stunning. This is an Awala. Totally unnecessary, but I love my other one. Where is it? I think it's in my car. I literally just got back from running errands, but this was $30. This is a Hearth and Hand exclusive color. What was the color again? Autumn Apple is what it's called. How cute. The reason I switched to Awalas from other drink water bottles is the spout. So you can sip it. There is a straw in here. So you can sip on this. However, you don't have to. So if you don't want to do this motion, which, you know, if you're concerned about like getting more wrinkles, which I am, then you can just drink it like that and you don't have to worry about sipping. I do a little bit of both, but it does help to keep your mouth from sipping on a straw like this. It keeps it more like wide because it is a wide mouth. And I really, really like that. So love this color. I plan on using this all through the fall and all through the winter seasons. Okay, that's everything in the first box. I will tell you that this packaging was terrible. So Target, do better. Like, this packaging was awful. Okay, second box is smaller. I don't know why everything just wasn't put in one box. Okay, so this one had a little bit of packaging, which cracks me up because the items in here are not breakable, where the other one had breakable items. But that's fine. I am ridiculously excited about what's in this box though. So first things first is this wood and brass twine holder. Look at how stunning this is. Absolutely in love with this. So beautiful. It was $30. And what I love about this, number one, is I plan to have this live in my kitchen cabinet or in my, on the hutch shelves in my dining room, but this is so practical. So we're going into the holiday seasons, right? And we're going to be cooking turkeys and hams, right? And you need twine to tie up your meat when you're baking it so that or when you're cooking it so it cooks at the right temperature, right? So this is not only absolutely beautiful, but it is incredibly useful, right? And handy. So very pretty. It's tied right now so that you don't pull the twine. But again, this is an item I think that is going to look so stunning in the fall with all the beautiful fall colors. But I also am going to enjoy having this live in my kitchen space all the time. It's absolutely beautiful and so functional. It does have a nice like velvet bottom, so it's not going to scratch up your counters or anything like that, which is really nice, and hopefully it'll stay put when you're pulling your twine off. Okay, this next item is also better in person. This is a 6.5 by 8.5 horizontal landscape road framed wall art. It was $12 and it is so pretty. Look at this. I love, love, love the detail of the picture. It's extremely textured. And I don't know if that's gonna pick up on camera, how textured that is, but it's really, really textured. I love the gold, like kind of antique looking picture frame. This is so very pretty. Again, my vision is to just kind of have this tucked behind things. If you have the space, this would look really beautiful, like up against, you know, your backsplash in your kitchen. This is actually really gorgeous. It might even go in my pie safe here in my kitchen. It's a perfect little size. It's nice and small. Like I said, 6.5 by 8.5, so it's not even a full sheet of paper. And it's just a perfect little size. You can tuck this in all different types of places. I feel like they had a different print too. If they did, I'm gonna go get another one because this size is so great. And again, perfect for the fall, but if you have dark, moody colors in your home, this would look gorgeous anytime. Okay, we have one last item, and it's probably the item I was the most excited about. You guys know that I have that really beautiful galvanized metal dish rack that I got from Antique Farmhouse, and I love it. And Hearth and Hand came out with their own version of something like that, their own. It says vinyl storage. I don't know what that means. Vinyl storage, like we're supposed to use this to hold vinyl as in records. This is supposed to hold records, I guess, is what their vision for it was. But my vision is plates. I think it's absolutely beautiful, or magazines, or you know, whatever you want. If you want to use it for vinyl, that's great too. But I think it could really hold all different types of things. I love the brass detail. Perfect, perfect, perfect for the fall. I have a lot of galvanized metal and like buckets and antique items, you know what I mean, throughout my home, but I don't know if I want to use those in the fall. I don't know if they're going to be warm enough or if they just lean a little too cool. And so having this brass, I think would be really beautiful. So putting this over on the shelves on my hutch in my dining room, I think would be stunning, stunning. This, oh, by the way, that picture, I don't know if I mentioned, that was $12. This was $39.99. So absolutely beautiful. It is heavy. It is heavy duty. If you have a record player, this would be gorgeous beside it. I feel like Hearth and Hand put out a record player before. I know that my daughter has a record player. We got it for a few years ago for Christmas, and this would be gorgeous in her space. You know what I mean? She's got a ton of vinyl records, but absolutely love it. This is how they have it on the picture, like how it's meant to be used. But I honestly feel like you could just use it for so many different things. So absolutely gorgeous. And it just goes again with the vibe of everything else. And in true Hearth and Hand fashion, none of these items are screaming fall, right? All of these items just scream dark, moody, beautiful. So they will fit in your organic, modern, cottage, farmhouse, no matter what the season is, no matter the time of year. And that is it for this little haul. I know it's small. They have a ton of other items over at Target for sure. Come follow me over at Like to Know at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse. I have it linked for you down below. You can see I shared a lot of the other items that they have at Target right now for fall. I'm really impressed with the things that they have out. The Hearth and Hand line is always a win for me. It's just gorgeous. I'm so excited. This fall drop is probably my favorite one that they've ever done, which is getting me really excited for Christmas. And I just feel like they're going to have some really gorgeous things for Christmas as well. So I am really looking forward to that. We have so much fall content coming your way. It's probably gonna kick up towards the end of August. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It is free to subscribe to my channel. You don't have to pay anything. So that's a ton of free content coming your way weekly. I usually post 4 videos a week, so you can't beat it. And hopefully I will get to see you again in the very near future. Take care, my friends.